Find the derivative solution. So we do have a product, so we could use the product rule. However, in this case, it's pretty easy to simplify first, and that's probably the best way to do it. So to simplify, we'll start by rewriting these as x to a power. So there's a 1 here, so you can write this as x to the 1 over 3. And then there's an invisible 2 here, and there's a 1 here, so this is x to the 1/2 plus 3. So all we've done is take all our root functions and write them as exponents. Now we'll go ahead and distribute. So when we multiply these, we have to add the fractions. So we get x, and we have to add 1/3 to 1/2. So you can multiply this by 2 over 2, and multiply this by 3 over 3. That way we have the same denominator, so it's 2 over 6 plus 3 over 6, so that's 5 over 6. So this is x to the 5/6 plus 3 times x to the 1/3. Now we're ready to take the derivative. So f prime of x, so we'll use the power rule, we'll put the 5/6 in the front, so 5 over 6, and then x, and then we take 5/6 and we subtract 1. So it's 5/6 minus 6/6, which is negative 1/6. Negative 1/6. Here we bring down the 1/3. They cancel, so 1/3 times 3 is 1, so we get x. And then you do 1/3 minus 1, which is the same thing as 1/3 minus 3/3, which is negative 2/3. So negative 2/3. And that is the final answer.